Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. In the previous class, we started new topic, air around us, isn't it? Air around us. Once again, we glance it today, okay? Air is all around us, isn't it? Air is all around us. We cannot see it because air has no color, it has no smell, it has no shape, and it has no taste at all. So we cannot see it, but definitely we feel the air, isn't it? Definitely we feel the air. Wind. What is wind? A moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. And breeze. What is breeze? A gentle wind is called breeze. A gentle wind is called breeze, isn't it? And storm. A strong wind is called storm, or fast blowing wind is called storm. Storm is a harmful, isn't it? Okay, and I also explained the need of air. Need of air. All living beings need air. Without air, we cannot live, isn't it? All living beings need air to breathe. And some other examples are given here. The need of air. See here, page number 63. Air helps bird to fly, isn't it? We feel the air in tires. And air helps to boat to sail. And air helps to kite to fly. These are all needs of air, isn't it? Okay children, today we are going to learn about what makes air dirty. What makes air dirty? The dust and smoke makes the air dirty. Dust and smoke makes the air dirty. How can come dust and smoke to the environment? Let me see, okay? Dust and smoke make the air dirty. Unclean air can make us sick. It can also irritate our eyes. You know children, unclean air can make us sick, isn't it? And unclean air makes to irritate our eyes and nose also, right? And some example is given here. How can dust and smoke come to the environment? See page number 63. Factories gives out smoke which makes the air dirty. See here. The smoke of coming out of the smoke from factories and vehicles makes the air dirty. And burning of garbage in open space make the air unclean. Got it children? Burning of garbage in the open space make the air unclean. Got it? Okay children, this unclean air causes for many diseases also, like heart problem, asthma, allergy, like that. Got it? Next we are going to learn about keeping the air clean. Keeping the air clean. How we can clean the air? This dust and smoke can make the air unclean, isn't it? How can we keep the air clean? Let me see, okay? Keeping the air clean. We can help to keep the air clean. First one. Do not use a car while traveling to nearby place. Ride a bicycle or go on foot. Got it, children? When we are going nearby place, when we are traveling nearby place, we do not use car or bike or any vehicles. Better to we go on foot or we use cycle. Got it? Okay. Next, second one. Factories should be built far away from the place where people live. Factories should be built where? Far away from the where the people live. Got it, children? ಜನರು ವಾಸಿಸೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಿಂತ ತುಂಬ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ we can build the factories is better. Got it? Next, third one. People should not burn garbage in open space. We should not burn the garbage in open space. Got it? The smoke come from the burning of garbage can make the air unclean. Right? Okay. Next, take care of plants in your neighborhood. We must take care of the plants surrounding us. Got it? This plants gives us clean air. It absorbs the carbon dioxide from the environment and release the oxygen to the environment. So plants makes the air clean. So we look after the plants and trees. Got it? Next, plant as many trees as you can in your neighborhood. Plants help in the making air clean. We should plant the trees as much as possible in our surrounding. Got it, children? It makes the air clean. In this way, we keep the air clean. Got it? Okay, children. Here is little scientist portion is there. Unclean air can causes breathing problem in people. I already told you. Unclean air causes for many diseases, isn't it? So here is given unclean air can cause breathing problem in people. It causes for asthma. Got it? Okay. This lesson is finished here. Okay, children. This exercise work I will send through WhatsApp. You come to get busy. Page number 66. This one. Take the pictures that show moving air. See these pictures. Can you identify it? The picture of moving air. See here. Here is moving air. Tick it right mark. Okay. This is also, here is also moving air. Okay. Here is not. Don't tick it. Okay. Here is moving air. The cloth is flying, right? Mark here. Here is no air. No wind. Got it, children? You mark this one and this one. Got it? Next. Life skill. Unclean air can make us sick. Make choice that help you keep the air clean. First one. You have go to your friend's birthday party. Your friend stays nearby. What can you do? You ask your parents to drop you in the car. And B, second one, you ask your parents to walk with you to your friend's house. B is correct, right? B is correct. Write this one, B, okay? Next, second one. How would you choose to go to school? By the school bus. B. Buy your own car. What you choose? Buy the school bus. Buy the school bus. First A. Okay, children. Learn it. Okay.